back up like this. Now walk.
Come here.
Come on, go to mommy.
Come here. Oh. Oop, 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 oop. Good job.
Good job. Now let's come back.
Again.
Like that.
Woo, woo. Oh, good job.
Good job.
Step.
Use those arms.
Step. Step. Oh, good job. Walk. Go to your sister.
Go to feet or go to
Brooke.
Brooke.
Go see your sister.
Come on.
Brooke, call
Come
her.
over here. Come on. Walk.
Woo, woo.
Good job.
Good baby.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, Slinky.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Let me help. There you go. Come on, bring it with you.
Oh, you're getting farther away.
That must mean it's
Walk.
time for a new activity.
Yes, indeed. Cedric's magic show is about to start. Right this way.
Go to mommy.
Magic show. Doesn't that
Brooke, put his camera back.
activity that everyone can enjoy
Come here.
together?
Can you get it up over the carpet? Good job. Look at you. Good. Oh, all done. Are you done walking? Oh, whoop, getting back up. Good job. Oh, here she goes. Oh, good job. Except you hit the couch. Ooh, you gonna go backward? Are you gonna go backward? That's a good job. Say no, no, I'm gonna play.
You should look at the pixels I took. You should look at the pixels I took. You should look at the pictures I took.
I'm still videoing and you're stepping right in front of me.